My fabulous 122. Welcome to the weekly Thursday vlog. I think this is the first official one. But anyway, so I did a little bit more work on the nightstand today. It was just a little bit more sanding, except this time I did manual because there were some little corners that I couldn't quite get to with the actual sander. So just cleaning up those little odd ends there. And so yeah, next week's episode I'll be painting the base and getting the paint off the drawers. So that's what's going to be happening then. And then for Monday's episode of Lindsay's Library, I'll be reading chapter 38 of Maniac McGee, which is this book right behind me right here. You can't even see the title of it, but that's what this book is behind me, is the book for Lindsay's Library. And yeah, so I got that done today, and I'm super happy about it. I just gotta do the chores. That'll be next Wednesday. And yeah, I have like makeup and all kind of things all over my shirt and pants from the day today. I gotta get my shower, and then I get to have Chick-fil-A for dinner. So that's a thing that's happening. And I am gonna try to make some sort of cake thing tomorrow, but we'll see. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. It's gonna be some sort of Valentine's thing, I guess. But I think I'm just gonna make a cookie jar cake just because. Why not? And that seems like it'd be super easy to do. And I just want to test out my cake decorating kit stuff. And I feel like that'd be the perfect way to do it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my shower and do all the things I need to do before dinner. Maybe put away some clothes. I folded my laundry today. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my shower and stop rambling. See you guys later. Welcome back to the vlog. So, yeah, we're at a different angle because I'm gonna show you how I clean my headphones. Yeah. And I can't get everything in frame, so I'm putting all my supplies on the table in front of me, which you're going to be able to see the table in just a second when I change the camera angle. Anyway, yeah, I had my dinner, my chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A with honey barbecue sauce. I'm currently waiting for my phone to charge, just because it needs to be charged. So I figured while I was waiting, I would do some editing and finish up the vlog for the night. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also cleaning my headphones that desperately need cleaning from yesterday. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. Now I usually go in with like a toothpick and whatever and get the stuff out like that. That's my usual stuff, but if things are just like sticking inside of it, this is how you get it out. This is how, yeah, I'm gonna change the camera angle and show you how I do this. So this is the only angle that I can get to work. So yeah, this is the weird angle. But anyway, I'm gonna show you this process, and with that, I have to plug up my iPad while I'm doing this, so that's why this is such a weird angle. But anyway, we're gonna get into this. Alright, so we got rubbing alcohol. This is good for removing anything that's like stuck in there. And it's like, I put too much in the lid, so. Yeah, I'm gonna change my shirt. But anyway, here it goes. Nothing. We do that. Squeeze it out because we want to get it just like, but not like. We just want to get it a little bit damp, not soaking wet where it ruins the headphones. Yeah. So, and I'm just sort of like dabbing it on the part that goes in the ear, which is the part that mainly gets cleaned. And just go around the edges here. All the things there. And we'll do the same thing with the other one over here. And then I'll do the covers with the other Q-tip. Or cotton swab, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Here, that's the covers. Which I've never actually had to do these like this before. But they got stuff in them, so there we go. There's that one. And I have spots going in, so this is really stinging. I don't know. It's probably good that you can't see my face for this part. Yeah, just like that. That's how I clean my headphones. And I'll have to find something to wipe this stuff off of here. I'm trying to spill it. Anyway, I'm gonna change the camera angle back to my face so I can do my outro. Okay, so that's the process of how I clean my headphones when there's sticky stuff that's not earwax, and or stuff just like stuck in there that's like not earwax. So here they are, all cleaned. But that helps with the sound quality sometimes when there's not stuff in them. So yeah, I did the same thing with my ear pods. And yeah, and that's about it. Other than, well, that's it for the tutorial portion of this video anyway. So Tuesday I have to go wash off my makeup or what's left of it, because some of it came off in the shower but not quite all of it. And Tuesday's video for next week, I'm gonna try to recreate my first video that I ever put up on YouTube. It's a video where I made fried pickles, and the quality of it was just, the execution of it was just, it was so bad that not long after I uploaded it and publicized it, and by not long I mean like a few months or a year or something after I made it, I privated it because it was just that bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna be trying to recreate that. It was a video where I made fried pickles, and so it should be a lot of fun. And this time I won't be wearing sweatpants. Good, like that was that made it look really bad actually. So anyway, that's it for tonight's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to leave it a like and a comment and subscribe. And then also, if you want, you can check out my links down in the description below. The first of which is for my affiliate with So Sick Clothing. Oh, and thing about So Sick, I looked on their website today and they have some new stuff out, or new to me. See, they have a lot of, I don't know what Overwatch is, but I don't know, maybe some of you guys are fans of it. Some of the 122 of you are fans of that anime. Saying before I got cut off, and hopefully I don't get cut off again. Sosic has some different items besides shirts and stuff that have come out recently, and there's a lot of, apparently there's this anime show called Overwatch that a lot of people are into, and they just made merch for it. There's now, I didn't see one for the PlayStation. I only saw one for the Xbox One. It's like a skin that goes on it or something. Not sure what it's of. I couldn't really tell. I think it's some sort of anime thing that's there. And yeah, and there's also a few things that are on sale. There's a shirt that's on sale and several game codes because apparently they sell games now. I did not recognize any of the titles, but I don't know, aside from like Fortnite, like what games are kind of like popular-ish right now. Anyway, the other links are my merch, my website, my social media, captions if I've done the edits. That's it for tonight's video. Thanks for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!